Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we are already using Feedly to follow your favorite blogs and news sites. But what about topics that aren't covered by a single source? What if you want to track a specific keyword across hundreds of different publications without having to follow each one individually? That's where Google News feeds come in. By adding a Google News search as a feed in Feedly, you can track any keyword, phrase, or topic across the entire news landscape. So every time a new article mentions your keyword, it shows up in your Feedly feed automatically. The best part is, it's incredibly easy to set up. According to Feedly's documentation, the platform has a built-in Google News option. When adding new sources, but there is a catch. If you don't format your keyword correctly, you will get results that are way too broad, or maybe completely wrong. So in today's video, we're gonna go through all of this, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. According to Feedly's documentation again, the desktop web version has a dedicated Google News option in the Feed Addition menu. Make sure to log in to Feedly on the web by going through feedly.com. Tap in this plus button like this icon here, then look for Add Content in the navigation bar. Look for the Google News option in the menu. For example, I would come here, tap on Google on phone since I don't have OK, or just Google actually. Let's go through Google. The official Google blog.google, Google Workspace updates, and all of this. Now it's time to pick your actual, basically, or the actual website that you would need. And that's your idea. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.